So today we're going to be looking at an oil change on your Prius. This one is a 2007. So the first thing we're going to do, go ahead and pop that hood. This one's really simple. I don't even lift it. Your oil cap's right here. It says 5W30. Make sure you use that. You can go ahead. I always like to take the cap off and just kind of set it there. That way I know I can't close the hood without putting the cap back on. And then underneath, to access it, you just come right under here, and I get a little pin, slide it under, and here is your drain plug. I believe it's a 14, and then right there is your oil filter. So that's the location. Again, I get to it without even lifting the car. I just get a little oil pin out here and do it like so. I'll show you the little tool in case you don't do your oil changes a lot. There's a little tool I use right over here. This is where I keep little oil change tools. I use this little guy right here. I take just a 3/8 ratchet, stick it in there, and then when you twist left, it just twists that oil filter on out. And you can also use this style tool, take your oil filter off, but that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple oil change, and there you go. Now you know.